Hey there, want to earn passive income online? Today I'm reviewing PDF Cash Printer, a system that lets you earn by sharing simple PDF files. Stick around because I'm giving away my exclusive bonus to help you drive traffic and earn even faster. Click the link in the description to grab it. PDF Cash Printer is an AI-powered system that creates and shares PDFs online, letting you earn high-ticket commissions up to $500 per sale. It's beginner-friendly, requires no selling, and works on any device. Plus, it comes with done-for-you PDFs and a secret platform to distribute them. Getting started is simple. 1. Access. Click the link in the description. 2. Download. Grab your done-for-you PDFs. 3. Share. Upload them to the secret platform and start earning. Many users are already earning daily with PDF Cash Printer. With AI automation and done-for-you PDFs, this system makes earning online simple and fast. Remember, there's a 180-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk, only potential. Ready to start earning? Click the link in the description to access PDF Cash Printer and claim your exclusive bonus. Don't wait. Take action now and start your journey to passive income. Still unsure? Check out real users earning daily with PDF Cash Printer. Remember, click the link in the description to get started and claim your bonus today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start your online income journey.